Welcome to the CryptoNest. So hot mining, you can see he really doesn't want us to make money. Actually, I don't know if his goal is to make us lose money, but definitely I am starting to lose faith to this company. And yeah, because when you check, all the others are green and still manage to make a -3 almost percent. Amazing, amazing. Actually, this is a very good, I would say, stock to short at the end. Anyway, now enough to be sarcastic. So I did let you know in my last video that I think I'm going to start to scale out because it's not performing. Yeah, I'm going to leave a little bit on the table because I suffer so much that if he realize or if he wake up and actually start to be productive, then I don't want to be left out. But I think it's time to dilute my risk, and I found yeah, it's not that good for the moment. Also, I did mention last time that we're going higher, and then I think I was saying let's, hopefully can break this downtrend and sit on it, but then we got rejected once more. Now, is everything lost? Not at all, because if I zoom in a little bit, maybe even more. Okay, so I'm going to say that, where is my box here? It starts to be a little bit challenging, honestly, but I would say this box here, it's, I would say I call it a resistance and support, because here was as a resistance, acted as a support, and now it's acting as a support. So it's not that bad. Okay, ideally, I would have loved to see hot mining. Well, okay, we went up. Would have been better to stop here, but it went even lower, so not very reliable. Also, we did kind of, you can see 3 wave up, one A, B, and a C, so that's also very not great. Now, that being said, you skyrocket. I'm being positive. You skyrocket when I'm using that word. The least he could have done is like just stay here on the top, on the previous resistance, and after that, maybe challenge again this long-term downtrend, but no, he had to go lower. How dare you? Anyway, so now I'm going to say now this is critical point, because if we lose also this one, well, yeah, like, where are we going? Honestly, let me go and check if we have bigger supports somewhere else. Yeah, it's yeah, the only thing I can see here maybe it's this little level here. So I'm going to put a horizontal ray here and say here was a kind of mild support, and otherwise we're going to get back to these lower low, and then it's really not looking good, because we start to knock to this level here, and yeah, not optimal setting. But try to be positive. So let me see if I can do some fib miracle here. Definitely, I don't think we did reach the 1.618. If I take this as a wave 1 and this as a wave 2, my goodness, maybe almost. Okay, now we're talking. And okay, so I'm counting this. No, it's the other one. I'm counting this as a 1. Here it's a 2. All this is a 3. Almost reached the target, so that's amazing. That's the 4, and eventually the 5. Now, let me tell you a story. Well, on Fibonacci and waves, actually in Elliott waves, wave 4 cannot go in territorial wave 1. So that's a bad news, right? Okay, so unless this is a diagonal, so let's go for that. So if indeed this is a wave 1 and this is the wave 3, and I clone the trend and I put it here, so it means you see that I put my maybe I should put it a little bit bigger for you guys at home. Where was the setting? I don't remember. Man, visibility. Here you go. Maybe intermediate. There you go. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and eventually 5 for that level. Honestly, this is not my favorite count, so I will show you why after. Okay, now I'm going to do a fib retracement of this third wave. So looking for a 0.618 here. Actually, I should have just added here. This is the target where usually the wave 4 go into a diagonal. So it could go still lower and we will be still okay. Okay, now I'm gonna share my view for more positive count for hot. I'm going to say this is the A, B, C of the wave 1. Then after that we're going to do a wave 2, then a 3, a 4, and a 5. Now I put them there, but it can go quite far, right? And let me so this is going to be honestly my primary colors. I'm going to put in green. Okay, so this would be my favorite count. Now I have no the chart is not showing me that, but this is what I'm looking for. This is, I would say it would be more bullish at least, because having 5 waves like this, it's not that productive. It doesn't give you much. And now let's see some indicators. So 4 hours, well, you can see that the RSI is not completely oversold. It can still go lower, but technically if this is indeed the third wave, this would be kind of enough level for the fourth wave, and we could make that fifth alleged fifth wave. Now if I go on the daily, is it same story? So this was the 1, this is the 2, the third. You see, the third is like usually in an impulsive movement, the third wave really go near or even into the overbought territory. This is a mild one, so this is another cue that this is a diagonal. And there you go for hot mining. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. But yeah, so once again, I want to maybe scale out from hot mining and dilute my investment in mining into Mara and Riot. Now I need to do some research more or analyze more chart to see what's the best chart, and start to pick some, because I'm not happy with hot mining. So it's either Riot or Mara. Actually, Mara, it does look very... Yeah, actually, I don't like this thing though. So, but could be also once again. Yeah, that's it. Because this was... So once again, I would say this is a B, and now this is a C. For the 1, we had A, B, C for the 2, and then this is the A, the B, and the C. yeah, A, B, and now we're starting to do something to reach higher levels. Now I'm kind of spreading myself to this Mara. So if that is the case, I'm going to remove that and see if that was the A and this is the B. You can see that B is like A, B, C with to complete the B wave, and now the C wave should have 5 waves. Now maybe all this is a wave 1. I'm not comfortable to call that a 1, 2, a 3, and a 4, even though it would reach the target. Anyway, we shall see. I'm going to investigate a little more, spend more time with those charts, and also we have Hive that we're having. You know, it's actually going where I was expecting. Didn't reach yet, so that's another one that we can look for it. And here around $7, then is going to be decision point. So this is what I want to see, okay? I want to see the trend broken, have a retest, and then, you know, have a reaction. If we do have that, then amazing. And once again, I do already have some Hive. They did a split consolidation, so it really, I'm really unhappy on that one as well. All right, so once again, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.